Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn some basic concepts in ninth class physical science in unit 3. The chapter name is matter pure. So in this topic we are going to discuss what is the concentration of the solution, what is mass percentage of the solution, what is volume percentage of the solution, and some problems on mass percentage and volume percentage, numerical problems students. So first concentration of the solution. So concentration of the solution, nothing but amount of solute present in unit volume of solution. Amount of solute present in the unit volume of solution is called concentration of the solution. So concentration of the solution is expressed in the form of mass percentage and volume percentage. So mass percentage of the solution, what is? Mass of solute present in 100 grams of solution is called mass percentage. Mass of solute present in 100 grams of solution is called mass percentage. So formula of mass percentage students, mass percentage is equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Similarly, concentration of the solution can also be expressed in volume percentage. Mass percentage has no units, so students. Mass percentage has no units. So volume percentage, what is? So volume of solute present in 100 ml of solution is called volume percentage. Volume of solute present in 100 ml of solution is called volume percentage. Volume percentage is equals to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. It also has no units. So now two problems, textual problems on mass percentage and volume percentage. Textual problem number 9 in the page number 55 students. A solution, a salt solution has a mass is 100 grams and solute is 20 grams, then mass percentage students, you can see calculation. So mass of the solution is given 100 grams and mass of solute is given 20 grams, then mass percentage is question mark. So mass percentage is equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100, 20 grams by 100 grams into 100. So gram get cancelled, 100 get cancelled, mass percentage will be 20%. Similarly, textual question number 10, it is also problem on the topic of volume percentage students. So in the problem, volume of solute is given in the form of 2.5 ml and volume of solution is given 50 ml. Now we want to find volume percentage students. We have a formula for volume percentage is volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So volume percentage is equals to 2.5 ml by 50 ml into 100. So volume percentage is equals to on the cancellation ml get cancelled and also 51 52. So volume percentage is equals to 2.5 into 2, that is 5%. So these are the two textual problems on mass percentage and volume percentage students. So you can see and you can note.